Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your low resolution video into a stunning high definition quality. So in here, what you need to do is just use a browser. So let's go to the browser and click on the search bar and type in Conversio. This one's right here. And you'll see this page, conversio.com. Let's open it. So in the conversion, this is a file converter apps where you can convert your files to any format with different quality. So let's click on choose files first, and then here you can use camera, camcorder, recorder, or media picker. So I'm going to go with media picker, and here I'm going to find a video first. Okay, so I'm going to click on this videos right here, and you can see the video is ready. Now you can choose the format first. Let's click it. Here you can see there are lots of options that you can do. So I'm going to go with a video because I select a video file, and I'm going to transform it into an AV, for example. And here, if you want to change it into a high definition one, you can click on the settings beside the format. Now you can click on the video tab, and here you can choose or select the quality. Choose the very high or highest if you want to get a better result. And here, if you want to resize, you can click on this. You can also change the frame rate, rotate, and flip. And for the audio, you can also change the codec, the bit rate, and the audio channels. I'm going to not change it, and after that you can just click on OK. And now you can just click on convert button, the red one in here, and just wait until the result came out. You can see it's still uploading. Just wait until it's done. So after it finishes uploading, it will start converting. You can see the process in here. Okay, so now it's done. You can just click on the download button, and your video, sorry, let's try again. After that, if you click on download, you can just wait until your file is fully downloaded, and that's it. So this page is completely free. You can try it on now. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.